Today, what are we making? Today, we're making chicken tacos and pork belly tacos. Got our pork belly, oil, adobo light. Y'all don't know about this. They don't know about this one. Wash your hands. Should look like this. And this is how we're gonna put it. Bang. Drying the top off. This, a lot of salt, because we're trying to dry up the skin, adobo. So we're going air fryer method 400. Alrighty, chicken taco is already seasoned. We just did a regular taco seasoning for that. Fry these johns up. Olive oil. Alright, putting the chicken on. There we go. Fry it. Yeah. Taking these out. Wait. Look at that. Tortilla. Chicken.
Oh my god. I'm so smoky.
Okay, Jesus Christ. Tough one-handed. All right, we're doing this. We're doing a run right now because we're waiting for the pork belly. A lot of onions. Guacamole. Jesus. Best one. Best hot sauce. Ooh, that's a lot. Green sauce. Jesus. Jesus. Oh. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Yeah. That's just fucking. Dunzo. There it is. Pork belly. Yeah. That shit's fucking.
What toppings do you want on them?
I'll do this.
Nice.
Guac, onion, cilantro, green salsa, and hot sauce right here. Yep. 10 out of 10. Jesus. Let's go. Like and subscribe.